As I promised, I'll explain how the human body and brain work in 15 powerful questions. We've already explored some fascinating topics in the last videos today. Let's go deeper. So, let's start with 2 new questions. What role do hormones play in our daily life? And how does sleep repair and reset the body? First, what role do hormones play in our daily functioning? Hormones act as chemical messengers in the body, controlling and coordinating essential functions every day. They're released by endocrine glands like the pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, and pancreas and travel through the bloodstream to target organs. Key roles hormones play in daily functioning: regulate metabolism. Hormones like thyroxine control how your body uses energy. Control growth and development. Growth hormone and sex hormones guide physical growth, puberty, and reproduction. Manage stress responses. Cortisol helps your body respond to stress and regulate blood pressure. Balance blood sugar. Insulin and glucagon maintain healthy glucose levels. Control mood and emotions. Hormones like serotonin, dopamine, and oxytocin affect happiness, motivation, and bonding. Regulate sleep cycles. Melatonin helps set your body's internal clock circadian rhythm. Maintain fluid balance. ADH antidiuretic hormone controls how much water your kidneys conserve. In short, hormones silently orchestrate almost every physical, emotional, and mental process, keeping your body in balance, homeostasis, and adapting to daily challenges. Second, how does sleep repair and reset the body? Sleep plays a powerful restorative role by repairing, resetting, and recharging the entire body and brain. It's not just rest, it's active maintenance. Here's how sleep repairs and resets your body. Cellular repair. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which repairs tissues, muscles, and bones. It also helps heal injuries and fight inflammation. Brain detox and reset. Sleep clears out toxic waste from the brain via the glymphatic system, including beta amyloid linked to Alzheimer's. It also consolidates memories and enhances learning. Immune boosting. While you sleep, your immune system releases cytokines, which help fight infections and inflammation. Poor sleep weakens immunity. Hormone regulation. Sleep regulates key hormones like cortisol, stress, insulin, blood sugar, leptin, and ghrelin, hunger control. Lack of sleep disrupts this balance. Energy restoration. Your body restores ATP energy molecules and resets glucose metabolism, preparing you for mental and physical activity the next day. Mood stabilization. Sleep helps regulate emotional responses, making you less irritable, anxious, or impulsive. In essence, sleep acts like a night shift repair crew, fixing damage, cleaning up waste, organizing memories, and preparing your body and brain for the next day. Microlearning with follow, share, subscribe Instagram and YouTube.